So even if you want to have God's blessings, okay, so where you have to connect first is to your mother. So mother is the reflection of your own moon energy, okay. Mother doesn't mean mother only. How you see your mother, that's how you are seeing your own mother energy. And you will find that right there, your connection with your own children. Are you getting me? I have done this 2 years course of family constellation. Okay. There also I have learned only one thing. 70% of your life comes from your mother. 70%. And I must say that more than 70%, because it's just not mother's mother, then mother's mother, then mother's mother. So how many mothers you have behind you and what kind of energy you have. And everything is your choice. You know, it's not about even your mother. If you want to take the pain of your mother, you will take it. आपकी जो मदर है वो ऐसा बोलते हैं, योर सक्सेस हैज द फेस ऑफ योर मदर. अगर आप सक्सेसफुल होना चाहते हो तो देखो आपकी मदर कैसी है. अगर आपकी मदर बहुत पावरफुल है, आपकी मदर ने बहुत कुछ लाइफ में कंट्रोल करके रखा है, कंट्रोल इन द सेंस दैट शी कुड होल्ड थिंग्स फॉर यू in her lifetimes, and she could be happy, and she could create a life around her where she could say that, okay, I am okay in my life even though she's not doing anything. But if she's happy, then you have success in your life. So sometimes we have a very difficult life with our mothers. We lose mothers. We have difficult fate of our mothers. And this time when these eclipses are coming, you will see the whole system coming out. In your life, how many of you have already facing some issues in your life because your money is also your mother? कितने लोग हैं जिनको काफी टाइम से ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि कुछ चीजें तो बदल रही है लाइफ में, फॉर गुड और फॉर बैड आई डोंट नो, बट मुझे कुछ चीजें इंट्यूटिवली, बिकॉज मून इज इंट्यूशन ऑल्सो. सो unnecessary, if you are not having a very good mood, then also you have to look into your own patterns. How many of you can say that yes, and like Nandini ji, you have already changed your place before even the eclipses came, sorry, eclipses started. You already started changing your life. So many things changes when eclipses comes, especially on full moon day or no moon day. Okay, because these are the times, even in ordinary days, when full moon comes and no moon comes, your life is actually changing. Your patterns are coming out, and then how you are handling it, according to that, your life is moving on. So when, when you start your journey from Bombay to Delhi, suppose Bombay is the place where you wanted to change things in your life, you have to reach to Delhi. So all the small stations which are coming, it's like all other full moon or no moon day. But when you reach and you see where you have reached and how you have reached, how was your journey, that Delhi station can tell you your journey was wonderful, or you are feeling happy and you are feeling refreshed or something like that, because you have taken each and everything very seriously. Seriously in the sense, you pointing out everything, what is happening. And what can balance you? Nothing better than your breath. अगर लाइफ में कुछ भी बैलेंस करना है ना, तो अपनी सबसे पहले सांसों पे ध्यान दीजिए. Are you getting me on? Even if you are not feeling good, you are feeling restless, you are feeling sad, you are feeling bored, you are feeling like life is not working, focus on your breath. All problems are there into you, and all solutions are there into you. Nobody can give you the solution better than you. Only thing is, sometimes we don't want to choose it because we are scared. If we choose it, then we have to do it. Are you getting me? हम बहुत बार अपनी लाइफ में अपनी सक्सेस चूज नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज व्हाट वी थिंक इज कि अगर मैंने सक्सेस चूज किया तो मुझे उतना काम करना पड़ेगा ना, तो वो काम क्यों करना है मुझे? तो सो मेनी टाइम्स यू आर सो वर्चुअस, you are so intelligent, and you have so much capacity to do things, but you don't choose it. So others comes in your life to disturb you. So even people are not letting you do something, it is also your choice. Okay? And ye whole life is based on your belief system, how you believe in your life. So all your belief, all your curses, all your traumas comes up when this time comes. So how you have reached to Delhi, the station will decide. Your station was very much broken, or your station was so welcoming. You were seeing different people, and you were seeing your relatives are there to welcome you to at that place. So we have to become a person. If we reach to Delhi, we should reach with so much of happiness and joy. So sometimes we don't choose success because we don't want to choose it. It's as simple as that. And then whole story comes. Then you start taking the trauma, you start taking the negative belief system, you start taking all your kind of ancestor realities, which is not yours actually. So everything is your choice. Some choices we can change right now, okay, just to change our mind. Some choices we can choose to change by doing some work like meditation, like doing belief work, or maybe we can do some दान, सब पुण्य का काम वो करके हम निकालते हैं. But everything has its own impact. Okay, everything cannot resolve everything. Punya can handle your paap karna, but still it will handle your, success, because the main thing is your mother. So first today, bless your mother. When I start the meditation today, I will start with the mother, and I will connect you to your mother, and I will, no matter how your mother is, whether she accepted you, whether she rejected you, whether she could not give time for some reason, whether she could give enough time, but still you didn't feel it was enough. Okay. When I started my journey with family constellation, I was having a lot of complaints about my mother. Still I have, because we love our mother so much that complaints cannot go away because she is the one who brought us here. So we have all the complaints with the mother. So I realized at that time when I was doing meditation that I'm the one who is not receiving my mother fully. It's not about receiving my mother as mother, receiving the energy of the mother. Because I also have done a lot of things in my past lives. Maybe some good thing, some bad thing with my mother, that also impact your mother energy. Because I'm doing family constellation and hypnosis and past life regressions, lot of inner child thing every day. Means 4 to 5 sessions every day. And she's the one, my bhabi, Gunjan. She is amazing. She knows astrology very well. And today is her birthday. So we are all going to wish her birthday. Yeah, say hi, bhabi.
Hi.
It's her birthday. So happy birthday to you, bhabi.
Happy birthday.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank
Wish
you.
you a very, very happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday.
Thank you so much. Thank you
And
very
she
much.
initiated this,
Very
what
happy
we are doing
birthday.
today. Say, why don't you do? I say, okay, fine. On your birthday, I'm going to do it. This is anyway, it is going to be a very important day for everybody. Especially जो मैन है, मतलब राजेन जी है यहाँ पे, और मैन कोई है नहीं? आई डोंट थिंक ये ही इज द ओनली मैन. जब मैं गई थी, आई वॉज मीटिंग, क्या नाम है उनका, थीटा हीलिंग की जो है, वियाना स्तबल. उन्होंने बोला था कि जब भी आप क्लास लो ना, मेक श्योर उसमें कम से कम एक मैन होना चाहिए टू बैलेंस द एनर्जी ऑफ फीमेल. That's how you can balance the energy of your class. So this is what is happening. Thank you, Rajan ji, to coming today. So
Thanks.
the thing is that it's always important to have balance. So Moon is your mind, your creativity, your movement towards life. What is sun then? Sun is your soul, which is holding you in this body. You know, it is the wholesome part of you from all the lifetimes, from your ancestral lineage, from your inner child thing. Means if your inner child is wounded, when you don't have enough good life in your child, because when you are born, from that day to 9 year, 9 years of your life, your astrology set as per what is happening at that time. So remember what has happened when you were small, especially 1 to 9 year. We don't have to go to any astrology thing if you don't believe in this, because your life was set then and there only. After that, you only just do the practical thing. You just gain the experience out of these 9 years. The whole life is like that. If your father was having enough money to enjoy, you will find maybe you have a lot of difficulty in your life, but you will still enjoy the money. So how many times you have seen the fights in your house between your mother or father or mother or your grandmother? That's how you create your own life. It's not only the inner child thing, it is all about family constellation as well. It's about your past life as well, because what kind of life you have lived, you have come with that soul. All the memories are there on your soul. So one second, actually he's trying to enter, but वो नहीं हो पा रहा है. Just give me 1 minute. हेलो. हाँ, मैं बार बार आपको मैं एंटर कर रही हूँ, पर वो एडमिट हो ही नहीं रहा है उसमें. आप एक दो बार और ट्राई कीजिए, शायद हो जाए. हाँ. ओके ओके. So what I was saying is, you are the wholesome part of your past life, your inner child, your ancestral lineage. So family constellation, who was asking me, family constellation is the uh, therapy which tells you how you have taken this life from your ancestors. Because before you are born on this earth, you choose a mother, right? And with the mother, you choose the DNA. And through DNA, you take all the patterns of
Okay.
your own ancestors and their unhealed issues, their unhealed trauma, which you are carrying subconsciously, we cleanse in family constellation. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, this is the family constellation. I love this therapy.
मैं उन्हें मैसेज कर देती हूँ, वो आप कनेक्ट कर लेंगे.
Okay. So
Yeah.
now question comes, what we can do today and how we understand. Okay. So this is, I think, enough information about the full moon. And it's about eclipses are the ones who goes very deep into your psyche, in your mind, and take out all the belief system, all the traumas, and all the, see, every eclipse is not good for everyone. Every full moon and no moon day is not good for everyone, but for some people it is very good. Okay. So when you are, I'm telling you now the bottom line of everything, when you are connected with yourself and you love yourself and you know that who you are and you understand that I am enough powerful to take my journey on another level. I don't need anybody's support. I don't need anybody to see me even doing this, because I'm doing it for myself, because I love myself enough. Then this full moon eclipse, it doesn't impact you much. Wow. Welcome, Sachin ji. Finally, you are in. So the thing is that love yourself enough. Now, if you want to write down, you please write down. Or if you want to understand, please understand कि आपको ये how I can love myself. Okay. First of all, use your mirror every day. Look into your own eyes. Okay? Look into your eyes and feel how you're feeling about yourself. Are you getting me, everybody?
Yes.
And feel it. Like you are watching movie, then how we see the actress, what she's wearing, how she's looking, how is the hair, so look each and every part of your body. If you are stripped, it's better. If you can't do this, but still you look into your eyes. When you find a pain, a lack of something in your life, you can see there in the mirror. Okay? And then you say that no matter you are complete or you are not complete, I still love you. Take your name strongly, because we don't take our name. So if I see the mirror, I would say that, oh, Ujala, no matter how you look, you are fat, you are slim, you are successful, you are not successful, whatever it is, but I still love you. I still feel that you are the best. Say this with, like, as if it is real for you. Okay, because actually we create the lack, we create the good and bad in us, but God has sent us perfect. There is no need to do any correction. And that's where your last life started growing, you know. So if you love yourself enough, your soul will be happy, your inner child will be happy, and your body will be happy. Oh, you accepted me as it is. Oh, wow. What can be the best and better thing can be this, that you have accepted me fully. So how many of you feel that you need to do this? Please do this. So abhi, let me explain it another way. आप मिरर में देखो, अपनी आंखों में देखो, और बहुत गहरे से देखो अपनी आंखों में, पूरी तरह, एज इफ यू आर कनेक्टिंग टू योर सोल. अपनी अपने सोल से भी आप कनेक्ट करो जब आप देखते हो शीशे को. और ये आप एक बार नहीं, दिन में 10 बार भी कर सकते हो. जब भी आप जा रहे हो, बाल काढ़ो, मालूम है मेरे बाल आज ठीक नहीं है, मालूम है कि मेरी ड्रेस भी ठीक नहीं है, मालूम है कि मैं मोटी होती जा रही हूँ, मुझे पता है कि मेरा काम अच्छा नहीं चल रहा है, इसलिए मैं दिन रात खुद को कोस रहा हूँ. राइट? मुझे पता है कि मेरी कुछ चीजें नहीं हो पा रही हैं, मैं अपनी लाइफ में भागता जा रहा हूँ, भागता जा रहा हूँ, पर मेरा नहीं हो पा रहा है. फिर भी आप शीशे में देख के यही कहोगे, तुमसे ज्यादा सक्सेसफुल कोई नहीं है, राजेंद्र जी और सचिन जी दोनों, कि तुम जो हो ना, यू आर द बेस्ट. तुमसे बेहतर कोई है ही नहीं इस दुनिया में. बिकॉज आप सबसे ज्यादा बेस्ट हैं, क्योंकि आपको भगवान ने किसी कमी के साथ भेजा ही नहीं है. ये तो हमारे सबके देखने का तरीका है ना, कि मुझ में ये नहीं है, मुझ में वो नहीं है, मुझ में वो नहीं है. लव योर सेल्फ. खुद को जितना प्यार कर सकते हो करो. शीशे में देखना मत छोड़ो. जो लोग खुद से प्यार नहीं करते, वो अपने आप को शीशे में देखना नहीं चाहते. आपको मैं एग्जाम्पल दे सकती हूँ. women who doesn't love themselves, they don't want to go in front of the mirror. उनको मिरर नहीं देखना होता है, बिकॉज जब मिरर देखूंगी तो मुझे पता चलेगा ना कि मैं क्या हूं, और वो मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकती. फाइट विद योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट, कि व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद मी, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, एवरीथिंग इज ओके. सो जब आप खुद को एक्सेप्ट करने लगते हो, तो आप हर एनर्जी को एक्सेप्ट करते हो यूनिवर्स की, वो चाहे इक्लिप्स हो, फुल मून हो, नो मून हो, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए दुनिया में, लेकिन आप खुश ही रहोगे. यू विल बी ऑलवेज हैप्पी if you accept yourself as it is, and you know that if I am seeing something bad in me, then I am telling the God that, God, you have done a mistake. You know, are you with me, everybody? कि
Yes.
अगर मैं भगवान को बोल दूं कि तुमने मेरे अंदर ये ठीक नहीं बनाया, वो ठीक नहीं बनाया, ये नहीं किया, तो भगवान को ही हम बोल रहे हैं कि तुम्हें अपना काम नहीं आता है. राइट? That's where you can't manifest what you want to manifest, because दिन में एक बार 15-20 मिनट और 30 मिनट आप बैठ करके बोलते हो, भगवान बहुत अच्छा दिया आपने, सब कुछ बहुत बढ़िया है, एंड एवरीथिंग इज फाइन, यू हैव गिवन, एंड द नेक्स्ट मोमेंट व्हेन यू आर अवे फ्रॉम योर टेम्पल, your house temple and you start thinking, oh my god, आज तो ये है, आज तो वो है, आज तो ये भी नहीं हुआ है, आज का दिन तो बहुत stress वाला है ये. So universe will think what you really like is. So you don't like the good things at all. The whole day you were cursing yourself, whole day you were crying for things, तो तुमको ये ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है, right?
No.
You really like to cry over things, so better you take this more in place of taking more good things. But what we want is more good things. But what we are getting, more curses, more problems, more lack in your life, more distance towards yourself, you know. So what you want more, you have to think more. And that is how all modalities work. Whether you take any name, you have to think 100% positive. भले ही bad पे पड़े हो, you are bad written, but you still say, universe, I know that I'm going to be fine very soon. Actually, this is the difficult task for our mind, which is not true, right? But this is 3 type of gratitude which you can have in your life. First, what you have right now. Say, I'm very happy, whatever you have given me, a beautiful family, a house, and good things to wear and eat. This is first kind of gratitude. Second kind of gratitude is what you don't have. I want a bigger house. I want more beautiful family, like more good connection towards my family members. Or whatever you want, like more money, maybe going on trips, whatever you want. Now the third type of gratitude, which is very, very important and which we always ignore. What has happened in your past? The past traumas, the past experiences, which are actually very important to grow you as a person, but you still don't want to say thank you for that. So what happens? That 2 things happens. First, they always have impact on you. Always. Because you are not check it out. You just want to be in this moment, even with that bad thing which has happened in your past. So you can't grow, right? Secondly, you create more and more same things in your life because you just don't want to get rid of. So again, universe is thinking, अरे इसको तो यही चाहिए, इसको और ट्रॉमा चाहिए, इसको और प्रॉब्लम चाहिए, क्योंकि उसको तो पिछला वाला भी दिमाग में बिठा के रखना ही है. उसको अभी अभी ये सीखा नहीं है अपना लेसन, इसको अभी और सीखना है. तो अभी इसको और ट्रॉमा देना पड़ेगा, इसको और प्रॉब्लम्स देनी पड़ेगी, तब इसको समझ में आएगा कि हाँ चलो, जो मेरे पास था वो बहुत अच्छा था, ठीक है, जो ट्रॉमा था वो कम था. लाइक वी से ना, वॉट एवर हैपन्स फॉर अ रीजन, यू नो. सो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर, जो कुछ भी हो रहा है आपको मिच्योर बनाने के लिए हो रहा है, आपकी पॉसिबिलिटीज बढ़ाने के लिए हो रहा है. सो फाइंड पॉसिबिलिटीज इन टू ऑल प्रॉब्लम्स. दे आर द बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ योर प्रोग्रेस. Are you agree with me, all of you? So from today in the morning, if you remember all of these things and you really want to grow, first of all, say thank you for whatever was not good in your life. Not good. You cried, you were howling, you wanted to jump from the rooftop of your building, you wanted to kick someone, you know, you wanted to destroy everything, whatever. Accept it first and say thank you. Now this experience is over. So universe, thank you for giving me this kind of experience. मुझे पता तो चला कि मैं इतना गुस्सा भी हो सकता हूँ, एंड फिर मैं अपने आप को संभाल भी सकता हूँ. सो यू कैन रियलाइज योर पावर देन, नॉट योर वीकनेस, नॉट क्राइंग फीलिंग कि मैं वहां से लेके आया अपने आप को, तो आई कैन डू मच बेटर थिंग्स ना. So we don't realize the good part of all the problems. Now let's come to the ancestor thing. So today we are going to do a beautiful meditation. Okay. For that, as I say, so what I say is, first thing is your breath. Okay. So everybody please close your mics. Okay. Because I don't want any noise here. Aruna ji, please, can you mute yourself? Yes, thank you very much. पॉसिबल है तो प्लीज अपना वीडियो ऑन रखें, और ये जो मेडिटेशन हो रहा है ये आपके एंसेस्टर से कनेक्ट करने के लिए हो रहा है, उनके पैटर्न्स, उनके कर्मा जो आप कैरी कर रहे हैं उनको खत्म करने के लिए कर रहे हैं ये मेडिटेशन। तो दिस मेडिटेशन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। अगर पॉसिबल है तो एक कैंडल जला के अपने पास रख सकते हैं, तो आप 2 मिनट में कर लीजिए। कोई दिया, कोई कैंडल, वट एवर इज अवेलेबल, ओके। Even if you have a picture of any candle, lighted candle in your room, that's better. Okay, और नहीं तो धूप बत्ती भी जला सकते हैं आप लोग। Anything you want. हाँ, उठ के जा सकते हो आप और लेके आ सकते हो। तो राजेंद्र जी कोई चीज ऐसी है, और वो कहाँ गए? हाँ,
ऑफिस में हूँ मैम अभी, इसलिए।
अच्छा अच्छा, नो प्रॉब्लम। सो सचिन जी, आपको कोई चीज पूछनी है, आपको भी राजन जी, तो आप मुझे वहां पे रोक के पूछ सकते हैं अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये बात मुझे पूरी समझ में नहीं आ रही है कि क्या है। तो एक तो ग्रेटिट्यूड आपको बहुत करना है, जो है उसके लिए और जो नहीं है उसके लिए, और जो पास्ट में डिफिकल्ट चीजें हो गई हैं जो आपको लगता है कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए था, उसके लिए भी ग्रेटिट्यूड आप रोज करिए कि बस वो हो गया, मैंने उससे समझ लिया, सीख लिया जो कुछ था, अब मुझे ये दोबारा नहीं चाहिए। नहीं तो वो चीजें आपकी लाइफ में दोबारा दोबारा आती रहेंगी, ठीक है ना। तो आप उस चीज को हमेशा ध्यान रखें। सुबह में आपको एक ही काम करना होता है उठते ही, ग्रेटिट्यूड। कि when I teach Reiki, I teach one thing. First is learn gratitude. All our prayers are nothing but just gratitude. हमारे जितने भी श्लोक हैं उसमें क्या है, हम अपने सारे देवी देवताओं को बोलते हैं कि भाई आप में ये पावर है, आपके अंदर ये है, ऐसा ही मुझे चाहिए, राइट। तो यूनिवर्स को भी हम अपने वर्ड्स में बोल सकते हैं। लैंग्वेज इज समथिंग टू एक्सप्रेस योर फीलिंग। आप अपनी फीलिंग को किस भाषा में एक्सप्रेस करते हैं उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, पर आप कैसे एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, कितना फेथ के साथ एक्सप्रेस करते हैं, वो मैटर करता है। आई यू गेटिंग मी? तो रोज सुबह उठ करके जो है उसके लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड, जो नहीं है उसके लिए भी ग्रेटिट्यूड, और जो बहुत खराब हो गया लाइफ में उसके लिए भी ग्रेटिट्यूड। तो वो चीजें दोबारा आपकी लाइफ में कभी आएंगी ही नहीं। ये जो कैंडल मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, दैट आई यूज माई 10 और 11 डे डिटॉक्स प्रोसेस के लिए। एक्चुअली दिस इज नॉट जस्ट अ कैंडल, इट इज द होल थेरेपी you can do with this candle. Okay, so I use this candle therapy, but today we are going to use a small part of that so that at least we can have the best from this meditation. Okay, so everybody please close your eyes. Very comfortable. Okay, it is going to be little longer, so be very comfortable. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Everybody close your eyes, as if today you just want to know what is possible for you and it is not happening. Breathe in and breathe out, everybody. Breathe in and breathe out. Open your arms. Okay, don't close your arms. Let your body be free. You know, don't hold your body with your hands. अपनी बॉडी को खुला छोड़ दीजिए, अपनी बाहों को थोड़ा खुला रखिए, so that you can feel what is happening on your body, what is happening in your mind. Okay, breathe in and breathe out. अपनी बॉडी को रिलैक्स छोड़ दीजिए। अब आपका पूरा ध्यान आपकी बॉडी पर है। ब्रीद इन एंड ब्रीद आउट। ब्रीद एज इफ you're breathing into your body. Breathe in and breathe out. Beautiful. Focus on your breath. अपनी सांसों पे ध्यान लगाना है भगवान शिव के जैसे. No other thoughts. Whatever thoughts are coming now in your mind, they really need your attention. Okay? Make a note of each and everything what is coming in your mind right now. What is disturbing you? Just say hello to that disturbance of your mind. Say, I will look after you, don't worry. And again, keep breathing in and out. In and out. Breathe into your navel. Breathe into your gut, in your stomach. Let the whole thing come out from your stomach. What is there in your mind? What your mind wants you to understand about the body. Breathe into your body. Breathe and see what is not okay in your body. If you have any pain, if you have any ache, if you have any problem, place your hand there as if you are holding that place. Even if you are feeling emotionally heavy, wherever you are feeling heavy in your body, place your hand there. जहां जहां आप अपनी बॉडी में सेंसेशन फील कर रहे हो, आप अपनी बॉडी में हैवी फील कर रहे हो, आपकी बॉडी में कोई डिस्कम्फर्ट है, कोई पेन है, कोई परेशानी है, वहां पे आप अपना हाथ रख लीजिए और वहीं पे ब्रीथ करना शुरू कीजिए. अगर आप इमोशनली बहुत हैवी फील कर रहे हो तो वो कहाँ पे आप ज्यादा हैवी महसूस कर रहे हो, आप वहां पे हाथ रखेंगे. एक से ज्यादा जगह भी हो सकती है जहां पे आपको परेशानी लगे, आपकी स्पाइन में, आपके हिप एरिया में, आपकी स्किन में. देन स्टार्ट ब्रीदिंग इनटू दैट प्लेस. वहां पे आप सांस लेना शुरू करो एज इफ यू आर ब्रीदिंग इनटू दैट प्लेस. उस जगह में अपनी पूरी स्किन से सांस ले रहे हो और मुंह से आप सांस छोड़ रहे हो, सॉरी नाक से आप सांस छोड़ रहे हो. ठीक है? आप उस जगह को नरिश करोगे. उसकी जितने भी लेयर्स हैं, प्रॉब्लम्स की कई लेयर्स होती हैं, उन लेयर्स को आप बाहर लेकर के आ रहे हो. सो यू आर इनवाइटिंग ऑल द लेयर्स ऑफ योर पेन, योर एक, योर इमोशंस, योर डिस्कम्फर्ट इन द बॉडी. आप उसको एक्नॉलेज कर रहे हो. ओके, यस, आई हैव दिस पेन, आई हैव दिस. इवन इफ यू हैव मनी प्रॉब्लम, फाइंड इनटू योर बॉडी. अपनी बॉडी में महसूस कीजिए कि अगर मैं मनी के बारे में सोच रहा हूं तो मुझे कहाँ हैवीनेस फील हो रही है. Even if I'm thinking about money, I'm thinking about my business, my career, where I'm feeling discomfort in my body. Make a note of everything. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now understand all of these patterns, these realities you have chosen to take from your ancestors. So, even if you are not aware and you don't understand this, understand you are the part of your parents, your mother and your father. Whatever is coming right now in your mind, maybe the curses of your parents, which they have taken from their ancestors, maybe the difficult realities of your ancestor, difficult relationships, difficult money patterns, difficult physical conditions, situations. the sadness, the anger, everything is coming from your ancestor. जो कुछ भी आपके पास है वो आपके पूर्वजों का है, आपका है ही नहीं. You are only 0.1%. आप केवल 0.1% आप हो, बाकी सब कुछ आपने अपने ancestors से लिया है. Now, when you realizing that lot of curses can happen to me because they all have done right and wrong karma, and you have taken your ancestor karma because you wanted to belong to the family, right? So breathe in and breathe out, breathe in and breathe out, and realize and be calm and understand how many difficult things you have taken. All your blockages are the curses of your parents, which they have carried and you have taken from them. तो जितने भी कर्सेस आपके ऊपर है वो सब आपके पेरेंट्स से आपको आए हैं, और आपने उनको चूज किया है कि ठीक है, अगर मैं कुछ लूंगा इस फैमिली से तभी तो मुझे लगेगा कि मैं इस फैमिली का पार्ट हूं. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव टेकन. So all the places you have placed the hand, breathe into those places and see your father on your right side, see your mother on your left side, energetically. Nobody will open the eyes now. Only you will focus what I'm saying. अभी कोई भी अपनी आंखें नहीं खोलेगा, सिर्फ मेरे शब्दों पे ध्यान देंगे आप. Right hand of your father, you will feel on the right side of your body. Right hand of your father, right side of your body, on your shoulder. Left hand of your mother on the left side of your body, on your shoulder. You will feel both the hands there. आप अपने फादर का सीधा हाथ उनके अपने राइट शोल्डर पे महसूस करेंगे, और अपनी माँ का लेफ्ट हैंड आप अपने लेफ्ट हैंडर पे महसूस करेंगे, लेफ्ट शोल्डर पे. ठीक है? नाउ ब्रीथ विथ बोथ द हैंड्स ऑफ योर मदर एंड फादर. अब इन दोनों हाथों के साथ आप ब्रीथ करना शुरू कीजिए. आपकी मदर का हाथ आपके लेफ्ट शोल्डर पे है और फादर का हाथ आपके राइट शोल्डर पे है. इन दोनों शोल्डर में आपको अगर कोई एक शोल्डर ज्यादा हैवी लगता है तो फोकस देयर. If you are feeling one of your shoulder is more heavier than the other one, focus there. Maybe you will be little bit tilted to that side. Maybe you feel more like pain that side. And that's how we understand whose burden we are carrying more than the other one. Okay? आप किसके पैटर्न्स, किसके कर्सेस ज्यादा लेके आए हो. So today we are going to release the curses as much as we can as per our awareness level. हम कितने अवेयर हैं, हमको कितना समझ में आ रहा है, उसके हिसाब से हम वो सारी चीजें रिलीज करेंगे. जो रिलीज हो गया है ठीक है, नहीं तो आप ये रिपीटेडली कर भी सकते हैं. सो ब्रीद इन एंड ब्रीद आउट, breathe in and breathe out, and be focused on your body pain, आपके situations, आपके money patterns, आपकी difficult चीजें, and say whatever curses, beliefs I am carrying from my ancestor, I release now. जो भी डिफिकल्ट कर्सेस, पैटर्न्स, बिलीफ मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से, मेरे एंसेस्टर से कैरी कर रहा हूं, मैं उसको अभी रिलीज करता हूं. आई रिलीज ऑल माई कर्सेस. से इट लाउड, बीइंग फोकस. Nobody is going to be disturbed with your voice because everybody is muted. I release all my curses. If you are feeling more towards your mother's side, say I release all my mother's side curses. If you are feeling more your father's side curses, say I release all my father's side curses. Breathe in and breathe out and release. Keep saying it loudly. Not too loudly, but voice has to be there so that your mind can understand what you are releasing. Say, I release all the curses and difficult belief which I'm carrying from my ancestor now. I release, I release, I release. जो भी मैंने अपने कर्मा लिए हैं, अपने एंसेस्टर्स के जो भी कर्सेस लिए हैं, जो भी पैटर्न्स लिए हैं जो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, मैं अभी रिलीज करता हूँ. आई रिलीज, आई रिलीज, आई रिलीज. I release and see all those energies going into the light of sun and dissolving there. Okay, सबको ऊपर जाते हुए देखो and उसको dissolve होते हुए देखो sunlight में. Say, I release, I release, I release. I release, I release, I release. If you are not able to release, if you're feeling it too heavy, breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth. अगर आपको आपके अंदर बहुत हैवी लग रहा है जब आप बोल रहे हो, तो अपनी नाक से सांस लीजिए, मुंह से निकालिए, एज इफ वो सारा कुछ आप निकाल रहे हैं बाहर. If you are finding it heavy, breathe in from your nose and breathe out from your mouth. As if you're releasing everything which is making you heavy. This is the one step you will be doing every day if you want to release. Even it is more heavier, then mentally, without opening your eyes, you are just giving it to the fire. Say, fire, please burn all the negativity which is I'm carrying, which I know or which I don't know. It's not necessary that everything you know. So maybe if you don't know, just say that I am releasing and throwing into the fire. And I request fire to burn all the negativity now. Okay? So जितनी भी नेगेटिविटी है, आपको बहुत ज्यादा भारी लग रहा है, आपके बॉडी में पेन हो रहा है, आपका माइंड बहुत डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है, आप उसको हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, तो जो कैंडल जलाई है उसकी फ्लेम में आप बर्न कर दीजिए अभी. सिर्फ इंटेंशन, आंखें नहीं खोलनी है, सिर्फ इंटेंशन डालना है और उसको बर्न कर देना है. सो विद द इंटेंशन, I burn all my negativity. Anywhere in your body, doesn't matter. Just burn it. As much as you are focused on your breath, as much as you are focused on your problems, because your focus will take you there. Breathe in, breathe out, and feel the problem in your body, because all the energies of outside world is also you are holding into your body. Breathe out or burn into the fire. Even if you are feeling more negative, if you're feeling like you have a lot of give and take with the people on the earth, say to all the people who are giving you tough time, whatever you want to give me, you give it into this flame of the candle or diya. Let it burn there. Let them give it to the flame in place of you, all the negativity. Breathe in and breathe out. Don't stop breathing. Now, breathe into your body. अपने शरीर में सांस लीजिए और महसूस कीजिए क्या आपका बॉडी पहले से लाइटर हो गया है या हैवियर हो गया है। जो भी है उसको आप एक्सेप्ट कीजिए एज इट इज, बिना किसी जजमेंट के कि ये ऐसा क्यों हो गया है। इफ योर बॉडी इज बिकमिंग लाइटर और हैवियर, डजंट मैटर, स्टिल you are releasing. Keep saying it. I release all the curses, all the difficult life pathways, realities, whatever I have taken from my ancestor, I burn it there. Or I have taken from anybody, which is not mine. I burn it into this flame of fire. Sorry, into the flame of my candle. Keep doing it. If you feel lot of heat somewhere in your body, take it as a heaviness and take it out intentionally, like mentally, that it is going into the flame of this candle and it is burning there and finishing from my body. Bandhanji, you are releasing a lot. Keep doing it. Now, hold your hand like you are taking something in your hand. Okay. Join your both hands as if you are receiving something in your hand. Open your hands. Yes. And let all the negativity come into your hands. From the body, from the skin, from the money, from the relationship, from the health, whatever. Just take it in your hand and intentionally just put your hand down towards the down. Where is the candle? But don't open your eyes. Let it go into that candle. Leave it there. Now, as you know, your parents were supporting you in this journey of cleansing yourself. Now you see your parent behind you, your grandparents behind your parents. Okay, everybody. And now put your hands down. No need to hold your hands. Open your hands. आप अपने पेरेंट्स के पेरेंट्स को पीछे देखिए, फिर उनके पेरेंट्स को उनके पीछे देखिए। ओके, तो ऐसे आपके एंसेस्टर बढ़ते जाएंगे पीछे पीछे पीछे, तो एक पिरामिड बन जाएगा। सो इफ यू इमेजिन योर पेरेंट्स एंड देन देयर पेरेंट्स, then their parents, then their parents, you will form a pyramid behind you, right? So there are many ancestors, okay, behind your back. How many DNAs you are sharing from how many ancestors? You will realize now, you are not a small thing. आप अपने पीछे इतने सारे एंसेस्टर को इमेजिन कर सकते हैं। करिए। पेरेंट्स, पेरेंट्स के पीछे उनके पेरेंट्स, फिर उनके पेरेंट्स, फिर उनके पेरेंट्स, फिर उनके पेरेंट्स, फिर उनके पेरेंट्स, चलते चले जाइए पीछे की तरफ। There are more than thousands of ancestors behind you. Now, you will turn towards your ancestors. अपने एंसेस्टर की तरफ मुड़ जाइए और देखिए कि कितने सारे एंसेस्टर हैं आपके पीछे। उनको बोलिए जो सिर्फ मेरा है मैं वो आप सबसे वापस लेता हूं। Only what is mine I'm taking back from all of you. Only mine. And what all is yours, which belongs to all of you, I am giving you back. The intention is all the difficult path, difficult diseases, difficult relationship, all the curses, all their karma, all their unhealed issues, you are giving them back with love. This is your authority. This is your right. If you can take it, you can give them back also. But with respect, with honor. Say, I respect the fate of all of you. I know you all can handle it. I know that you are all strong enough to handle it. I am choosing something different than all of you. जो कुछ आपका है वो मैं आपको वापस करता हूं, और जो कुछ मेरा है मैं उसको वापस लेता हूं। आप ये सब आपके एंसेस्टर्स को बोलोगे। आप लोग सब बहुत स्ट्रांग हो, मुझे पता है आप अपनी चीजों को हैंडल कर सकते हो, अपने कर्मा, अपने कर्सेस, अपने अनहील्ड इश्यूज जो भी हैं उनको आप हैंडल कर सकते हो, ये मुझे पता है। तो मैं आप लोगों का भाग्य जो है आपके चरणों में छोड़ता हूँ। आई लीव इट ऑन योर फीट। आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग ओनली वॉट एवर इज माइन। प्लीज ब्लेस मी एंड सी मी काइंडली। मुझे सिर्फ आपका आशीर्वाद और आपकी दया चाहिए। से इट 2, 3, 4 times, as much as you can say. I need only your blessing and your kindness. Look at me kindly and please bless me. I am your present generation. मुझे सिर्फ आपकी दया और आपका आशीर्वाद चाहिए और कुछ नहीं, क्योंकि मैं आपसे कुछ डिफरेंट चूज कर रहा हूं। इसलिए जो भी आपके कर्मा है, जो भी आपके अनहील्ड इश्यूज हैं, मैं उनको आपके पास छोड़ता हूं। जो सिर्फ मेरा है वो मैं वापस लेता हूं। Now kneel down in front of your ancestor and feel this exchange of energy. अभी आपको एनर्जी फील होगा। आप अपने पेरेंट्स, अपने एंसेस्टर को उनका सब कुछ वापस कर रहे हैं। इसमें आपके पेरेंट्स इंक्लूडेड नहीं है। योर पेरेंट्स आर नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन दिस। दे हैव टू बी देयर विद योर सपोर्ट। ओके, so say that with the kneel down, I honor and I respect your fate, all of you. And I love you all. I know my life comes from all of you. मेरे पास आज जो कुछ भी है वो सब कुछ आपसे ही आ रहा है। एंड जब आपको लगे कि आपकी एनर्जी एक्सचेंज हो चुका है उनसे, यू कैन टर्न बैक with respect and honor. If you want to give some दान, you can think now कि इस एक्सचेंज में आप अपने एंसेस्टर के नाम पर क्या देना चाहोगे, किसको देना चाहोगे। दैट यू कैन इमेजिन इन योर हेड एंड प्लीज डू इट लेटर। आप अपने एंसेस्टर को जो भी देना चाहते हैं अभी आप इमेजिन कर सकते हैं, पैसा, कपड़ा, या कोई दान वृद्धाश्रम में, या एनिमल्स को, जिसको भी आपको करना है आप कर सकते हो। लेकिन एनिमल्स का डजंट गो टू योर एंसेस्टर, यू हैव टू डू इट फॉर समवन। ओके, तो वो आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो। अब आप खड़े हो जाओ। Imagine that now you are standing up and turning your back again towards your mother and father, and find a beautiful smile on your parents' face. And you are also smiling because now not only you, your parents are also very powerful. And they also understand that they are your support. And tell your parents that I know whatever you did or whatever you have done to me, it was the best in your own way. So I'm very grateful to you, to your parents. And I'm very grateful that you were always there to support me and you will always will. आप हमेशा मेरा सपोर्ट करोगे और हमेशा मेरे को अपना आशीर्वाद देते रहोगे, ये मुझे पता है। And feel the fulfilledness, feel the that joy and happiness, as if you have given everything back which you unnecessarily carrying. And remember, ancestor doesn't mean your only parents, maybe your in-laws. You can give them back also if you are feeling anything. Okay. Initially, everything, even you choose your in-laws as per your parents' journey. They are also not different than your parents, one or the other way. Now breathe into this new body, in new energy. Breathe in and breathe out. अब अपनी इस नई एनर्जी में एकदम सांस लीजिए. अभी भी कहीं थोड़ा बहुत भी हैवीनेस है तो वहां ब्रीद इन करिए और ब्रीद आउट करके उसको निकाल दीजिए. टेक योर टाइम, 1 or 2 minutes. डू इट. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now, please come back to your body. Come back to this room, wherever you all are. Come back to your seats, wherever you are sitting. Move your legs little bit. And say thank you to the Mother Earth to nourishing us, to giving us stability in life. ये जो नमस्ते का पोजीशन आपने किया, अपने हाथों को नीचे की तरफ कर दीजिए, ऊपर की जगह. So it will pointing towards the Mother Earth. Yes. ऐसा pointing down, जैसे नमस्ते को आपने नीचे टर्न कर दिया. So now you are connecting to yourself, to the Mother Earth. Whatever is excess energy, your grounding will happen now. Yes. This is another beautiful way to ground yourself in the morning if you really want to do it. People who are meditating, people who are having any kind of knowledge of healing, or they are doing it maybe professionally, non-professionally, you really need to ground yourself every day. Okay, so this is the best way to ground yourself. Now breathe into this position for 1 or 2 minutes. आप रोज अपनी नमस्ते को नीचे की तरफ कर सकते हैं, धरती की तरफ, ऊपर की जगह, और धरती माँ से कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. उनको ग्रेटिट्यूड दे सकते हैं कि मुझे आपने जो नरिशमेंट दिया है बॉडी में, या जो आपने मुझे स्टेबिलिटी दी है, ये घर दिया है, सब कुछ धरती से ही आता है, राइट. तो आप रोज ये एक्सरसाइज कर सकते हैं. ग्राउंडिंग एक्सरसाइज है ये. नाउ both the hands put on your eyes so that you can give message to your soul that you have empty all the burden. Okay, your eyes are the mirror of your soul. आपकी आंखें आपकी आत्मा का आईना है. अपनी आंखों को सेकिए थोड़ी देर और लगातार खुद से बोलिए, आई लव माई सेल्फ, आई एम ए वंडरफुल पर्सन, आई लव माई सेल्फ, आई एम ए वंडरफुल पर्सन, आई एम ए प्योर सोल, मैं एक पवित्र आत्मा हूं और मैं अपने आप से बहुत प्यार करता हूँ. आई लव माई सेल्फ, आई एम ए वंडरफुल पर्सन, आई एम ए प्योर सोल, आई एम ए प्योर सोल, आई एम ए प्योर सोल. Breathe into this word, because if you are saying something, if you're breathing in, all the molecules, all the atom around you become love. Okay, if you are doing it consciously, the reasons you will find to love yourself. जो मॉलिक्यूल एटम्स आपके चारों तरफ घूमते हैं हर समय, अगर आप ब्रीथ करते हुए बोलोगे आई लव माई सेल्फ, आई एम ए प्योर सोल, वो जो सांसें आप लोगे वो आपके पूरे अंदर बॉडी को मैरिनेट करेंगी वो थॉट के साथ कि यस यस, मुझे अपने आप से बहुत प्यार है, मुझे पता है. ओके, स्लोली ग्रेजुअली रिलैक्स योर बॉडी. So whenever you are ready, please open your eyes. Okay, don't force yourself to open your eyes. आराम से धीरे धीरे जब आपका मन हो आप आंखें खोल सकते हैं. Anybody would like to share the experience? How was it?
One question is that, shall I answer?
Yes, please.
Can I answer?
Yes.
Actually, you told first to turn on the ancestors, we are surrendering whatever it is there. After that, parents are standing behind us. Later on, we turn, and parents also we are giving back the same. Is it so? That one
No,
part
we don't give. They are alive, or even if they are not alive, for some people, they're very immediate, you cannot disconnect from them, but sometimes when I do family constellation, sometimes when we cannot handle their energy, maybe they have gone through a very huge trauma, then only we disconnect that trauma energy only. Because they are the source of your life. Your DNA is coming from that. So they are the source of all other ancestors behind you. That's why we don't disconnect our energy from the ancestors. Okay,
from the father and
mother,
you have only
to be
blessings, their support.
Yeah, you need blessings from everybody. Once you have become the mother, you have only one thing to give your children is the blessings. To be the support as much as you can do, because they have their own journey to follow. Okay, they will choose what they want to choose. And in that journey, what would be your part, that you can decide, But we have to be the supporter. So same way, you can expect this from your parents, that they are going to support me, So even if they are not alive, they will support you otherwise as well.
And in-laws?
In-laws are different, So as I say, even when I was giving you this meditation, as I say, you got the in-laws exactly the mirror of your parents. So your in-laws are the inner part of your parents. So if you heal the issues with your parents, you are already healing the issues with your in-laws, right? Things will become more weaker. So if you see the women who are more supported by parents, in-laws are more like, oh my God, I can't say anything to this girl because she's going to go to her parents' house, which is so supported, But in energy field, all the curses, all the difficult pattern of your parents also comes with you. And that's how, even if you have a support, you have a difficult life in your in-laws side. So in this meditation, we have released what was not good for you. Because everybody has different level of awareness here. Okay, you have different awareness level. Maybe Sachin has different awareness of level. Maybe Veenaji has different level of awareness. So how much we are aware of our life? Like for some people, I have heard for the women, they say, oh, it's okay if my husband hit me once or twice sometimes. He loves me, that's why he's hitting me. It's your awareness level, right? What I say, if your husband is really loving you, he may not like to see someone seeing you hard with hard eyes, So that's your awareness level. So as per that level, we return things. And when I do the session, then the level is totally different. Then I will go to the root and I release things from there. Right? Even all the diseases, all the relationship issues and everything. Because you come to healings, you come to everything, whatever you are doing, if you have a high awareness level, there is something else also, despite of fighting, saying things and doing hard work. If I'm not getting anything, that means there is something else I have to do in place of going into depression, going into anxiety, going into some addictive patterns. Why people are going into addictions? Because they have very low level of awareness. This is the only thing which can save me now. In place of people like all of you, they choose to go into healing, they go into some mental exercise, they go into yoga. They see at the one or the other level, we all are spiritual. All. Even though you know some healing or not, doesn't matter. But how this awareness level is working for you, that's the question. How deeply you can understand and what you are choosing for that. Some people are choosing like Sadhguru's programs. That's another level of awareness. So every soul chooses the gurus and the the path to resolve their problems. The people who go into addictions and go into some kind of destructive patterns, they don't have that awareness that something can be better than this, what I'm going through now, right? So accordingly, when you are doing meditation, in meditation also you can release a lot of things. But it depends on the awareness level of you, how much you are available for yourself. Some people, they are not available for themselves at all. They think their life is their children, their mother, their father, their in-laws, the whole world is their responsibility only except themselves. And they are the bigger failures because everything starts from you. If a woman is not happy, not healthy, she cannot give happiness and health to the family. Is it? So the focus should not be anyone else here. I am the focus. I am my focus. Everything will be fine. Your children will be fine. Even if the problem is with the children, inner child also, if you do, even with the problem with your children, you have to see where is the problem with me. You don't have to. Are you getting me?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. And one more thing, actually, if parents have undergone some sort of trauma, for that, what should we do? I mean, when we are doing this process now,
For
this
them,
meditation.
For them, see, if you are asking me what we have done today, you can just tell them to have a candle. Because when trauma
my
happens,
parents are not there. My parents are not there.
Not
my
there.
parents are
So,
no.
if your parents are not there, they have gone through some trauma. First thing is that would be great for you because in family constellation, when you take a session, you're not only clearing for yourself, you're clearing for the coming generation as well. So first thing you can do this. But still, if you don't want to do this, you can just burn a candle because you are the energy of your parents. You have taken DNA from them. One or the other way, in this lifetime, in any time of your life, you can face the same trauma in some other way. So you have to release it now. Maybe you can use this candle thing and you can write and just burn it. Or you can just burn it because as I say, I don't know what is your awareness level, what it says to you, what is talk about you. You can just write it and you can just burn it or you can burn through your eyes. Whatever set. See, all know about Tratak, that Tratak Kriya. What is this? It is to burn everything because all the awareness is in your glands, everywhere in your body. So when you do Tratak, fire is the most purest element, is it not? Air you can pollute, earth we have already polluted, everything, space, how many airships are going there. But fire is still pure. Fire is fire. You can just burn anything you want. Okay, and fire is the element. If it is less in your body, you cannot do anything in your life. If it is too much to handle, then it will burn everything in your life.
Okay.
So people who does not have anything in the life, they have to understand one thing. They have too much fire in them. If people have very low, small, little in their life, they should understand there is very low fire in them. So this element works very, very powerfully. Yeah.
And my experience, I really felt light earlier. What I was feeling heavier when you asked to surrender before the ancestors and other things, that pain or a heaviness, what I really more better it got when I did that.
Yes.
And thank you for the same.
Even when I do money constellation, when I do mother constellation, when I do father constellation, to connect with your mother and father energy, people, they feel zip, zap, zoom like anything. They feel like as if they are talking to their mothers. And they feel that how the money energy is feeling to them. See, what I feel like money aana chahiye, money aana chahiye. But how the money is feeling for you, that also you will understand in money constellations. Always, if you really want to realize your own elements, see, mother, father, your children, your in-laws, they all are your elements. You have come with that energy that I will have some this. You know, that's why you have chosen the mother and the father who has that kind of belief system that girl should go to a very big family or girl should go to a very lower poor family so that she will understand how to create that. See, everybody has their own thoughts. Even though they want you to go to a very big family as a daughter-in-law, but still you are not having happiness there. Still, it is their belief system. Are you getting me? So we choose
Yes,
everyone. So all are your elements and you are actually living with your elements every day. Your mother, father, children, and your grandson, granddaughter, everybody is your element. So if you really want to, change, you have to change yourself. That's it. And I've seen people who are really pay gratitude every day to their ancestor. They really do very well and their children excel in their life. That's really important. तो आप लोग सुबह उठ के एक तो दिस इज द नमस्कार एंड दिस टर्न डाउन, ये आप धरती माँ को नमस्कार कर रहे हो. यू आर कनेक्टिंग टू मदर अर्थ. ओके, दिस इज actually in Japanese mudras they teach us like this. When I do kundalini and DNA activations, I teach this way. अगर आप ऐसे रोज हाथ नीचे करके उनको मदर अर्थ को बोलते हो like thank you for giving me nourishment and stability, this is what mother earth wants, right? So your work is done. Mother earth will not let you be empty anytime because everything comes from earth. Even if you are using any chemical in your beauty product, in food, in anything, everything comes from mother earth. So they will be non-effective on you. You will get more purest thing. Maybe you meet pure people in your life. So tell even your children, all these days are important, yes, of course, but even every day in your life you should say thank you to your ancestor. अपनी रोज की लाइफ में अपने बच्चों को और खुद को आपको बोलना ही है थैंक यू, मेरे सारे पूर्वजों को मैं धन्यवाद करता हूँ, जो कुछ भी आज आप हूं मैं सब आपकी वजह से हूँ. Even if you are staying in Mumbai, say thank you the ancestor of Mumbai, whoever was there at that time, thank you for letting me stay here. You know, so it's not only your own ancestor, the ancestor of the place. It's a huge journey. If you learn family constellation, it's a huge journey to understand your own life, who you are. Okay, so anybody else would like to share the experience?
मैम, कैन आई आस्क वन क्वेश्चन? जो आपने
Yes, Meera ji.
जो आपने कहा था पीछे मुड़कर हमें उनको बैक करना, तो अपने पेरेंट्स को छोड़ के सबको करना था या अपने पेरेंट्स को भी?
नहीं, आप करने को कर सकते, लेकिन अगर आपके पेरेंट्स हैं तो वो कभी नहीं लेंगे. अभी तो आपकी तो आने वाली जनरेशन भी आ चुकी है ना, आप तो
जी
दादी नानी बन चुके हो, राइट?
जी जी.
हाँ, तो ठीक है, फिर आप कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. पर जनरली अपने पेरेंट्स को हम डिस्कनेक्ट नहीं करते हैं,
ठीक.
क्योंकि वो बहुत इमीडिएट होते हैं ना, एकदम से हम उन्हीं के बाद आए, राइट? बाकी तो सब आपके पीछे होते हैं. तो एक्चुअली
जो
आपने जो
अपने
आज
पेरेंट्स को छोड़ के बाकी सब एंसेस्टर को बैक करना होता है.
यस
ठीक.
यस यस,
ठीक है.
एक्चुअली आप उनको अलग नहीं कर रहे हो, आप सिर्फ उनसे उनका सपोर्ट मांग रहे हो, आप उनसे ब्लेसिंग्स मांग रहे हो, आप उनको अलग नहीं कर रहे हो.
जी जी
वो तो रहेंगे ही, एंड यू
जी.
हैव टू. You cannot
ओके.
detach yourself from your ancestor. They are the source of your life.
जी जी
The first DNA has come from, I don't know how many generation back.
जी जी जी.
Yeah. So they
Okay.
have created us, so we cannot disconnect from them. But yes, we can disconnect the difficult patterns, difficult
Okay.
things, curses,
Okay.
negative beliefs, their secret
Okay.
problems, whatever has happened, the extramarital, this and that we can disconnect. We don't
Okay.
want it, right?
थैंक यू मैम. थैंक यू. आज मेरे को अनइजीनेस नहीं हुआ कैंडल जलाने से.
Yes. The
थैंक
solution was good. उनका solution अच्छा था.
थैंक्स ए लॉट.
Welcome, welcome.
Can I?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much. You
Thank you so much.
you've opened many things for me. And can you please share this recording because it's really vital and it will help me in my practice, if you
Sure.
don't
What
mind.
I'll do is I will upload it on YouTube. Okay. So you
Okay,
can go to my YouTube, you can watch.
okay,
I will open it for everybody.
okay.
So you can watch from there.
At least, till we get accustomed to the whole process, it'll be helpful. That's what I wanted.
Yes, yes. Sure, sure. I'll do that. Actually, this meeting was not just for ancestor. It is like wholesome about your life. It
Right.
starts from the moon, but moon is, see, there is only one planet which people say we visit, is Venus. You know,
Oh,
we come to the earth visiting through Venus because earth consciousness is love, which can be possible only through Venus. Okay. And the second one, what people say is the moon.
okay.
When we die, we go to the moon. I don't know if it is true or not, but the Venus thing is true.
Okay.
So there are two things. And
Mm.
moon has very big impact because if you have infections, if you have imbalance of your weight, if you have any kind of chaotic mind, if you always thinking negative, this is all about moon. And from where it is coming? It's coming from your ancestor, your mother lineage. If you have problem with your career, your stability, then it is coming from your parents, means the father side. So this is
Okay.
how we have become what we are. So we are actually not ourselves. We have to become what we want to become. That's why we are struggling all of our life to become what we want to become.
Oh,
Right?
right.
So we are struggling, especially people who are choosing that entirely different career than their family, their ancestor. They are the people who really, because they have to generate that knowledge. The DNA does not have that knowledge. So DNA cannot support you there, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I
Mm.
do DNA activations so that you can have the real power of you.
Okay.
So that's how, yeah.
I want to know more about this also.
Sure, you can talk to me on my number, on my call.
Okay.
So we
Yeah.
can talk anytime.
Yeah.
So
I
I
would love
hope
to.
you enjoyed, you become lighter, and you all of you like have something good in your hand right now. Is it?
Absolutely
Yes.
right.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much,
Mona.
everybody.
And just one
Thank
thing.
you, Mona. Wonderful
And big
session.
thanks to my Bhabhi, because of her it is possible because it is her birthday. And she said, Ki, why don't you do something? I said, okay, fine. And so big thanks to you to connecting me to all of you.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
one
it
thing.
was,
Yes.
it's a
Happy
real
birthday once
wonderful
again and
experience.
thanks to Mona.
This even you can do
Very
whatever
wonderful.
you have done, one or the other piece of this meditation you can do every day. Like you can burn candle anytime when you are not feeling good, restless or something. You can burn everything in the candle. ओके ये आप बाद में भी कर सकते हो कैंडल में अगर आपको कोई दिमाग में कोई चीज अटक रही है कोई कैओस हो रहा है आप उसको कैंडल में सबको बर्न कर सकते हो अपना इंटेंशन डाल के ठीक है और
Ma'am,
यू कैन डू दिस डिसकनेक्टिंग ऑफ कर्सेस एंड एनीथिंग अगर कोई चीज आपकी लाइफ में आपको पकड़ के बैठी है नॉट लेटिंग यू ग्रो you can just give it to the ancestor to whosoever is belong to. Are you getting me? So every day you can pay gratitude to your ancestor. That's very
Hitler
very important, especially from tomorrow onwards to अगर आप पूरा टाइम करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. Yes, Bandhan ji, I'm going to share it on YouTube. You can access from there. So ये
ma'am,
बहुत important है.
ma'am, I want to say one thing.
Yes.
I still have pain in my neck and little bit on my left shoulder.
Okay. What you can do, Riddhi ji, you can start giving all this pain to the candle. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Every day do this until it is not gone totally. आप उसको देते रहिए candle को.
Okay.
Even
Okay.
if then one day, you will realize ki what is the thought, what is the emotion behind it? Because it is not happening like that. There is some emotion, some belief, some curse is there behind it. That's why you are carrying it, right? So
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can burn it into the candle every day. ओके जो भी डिस्कम्फर्ट आपकी बॉडी में है आप उसको रोज कैंडल में डाल सकते हो. दो आई डू 11 days डिटॉक्स प्रोसेस, ओके, ऑफ योर बॉडी, माइंड, whatever emotions. So I do that. In that process, I use this candle. But आप अभी भी use कर सकते हो. I have given a tool for you to use it for any problem. Even अगर आपके घर में बहुत chaos है, झगड़े हो रहे हैं, whatever it is, आप हर चीज को बोल दो ये जितना भी chaos है ना मैं इस कैंडल की फ्लेम में बर्न कर देती हूँ. You can just say this simply. Or if you have lots thing to say and nobody is to listen to you, write it on the paper and burn in this candle as if it is done, finished.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you, ma'am.
You can imagine why Tratak is so wonderful, that process, because it is also with the fire. It gives fire to your brain to be active. So if your energy, if you, as much as you will be lighter, you will be more active. You can live your life actively. वो एक्शन से खत्म हो जाते हैं. व्हेन यू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ थॉट्स, लॉट्स ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स, लॉट्स ऑफ पेन, लॉट्स ऑफ डिस्कम्फर्ट, वो सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है. एक्शन ही खत्म हो जाता है. देन यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग लाइक आई एम तो डिप्रेस्ड, नाउ व्हाट टू डू. दैट्स हाउ इट इज. Okay, great guys. All the best, and all your ancestor may bless you always, and be active, focused, and happy in your life.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.